Hey everyone, in this video we're going to be using this cut compound that's made for cars, for the paint, to be able to use it as a fine non-abrasive grit to get rid of hard water stains that you've got on your shower door. Now this has got a lot of mineral deposits built up over time on the door, and just through normal cleaning it's not being able to remove it. Using products like bleach, Domestos, that sort of thing doesn't really take that off. You can use products called CLR, which is calcium lime rust removal, to spray that on and wipe it. So I'd probably try that first. If it didn't work, then you'd want to be able to use a fine cutting compound such as this to be able to clean up your glass to make it looking new again. So the first step is to make sure your glass is nice and clean, which mine is. I've gone over and given it a nice clean and a wipe down, so there's no other grit or anything in it. Now I've got some of this super cut compound just on a rag, and I'm going to just do a part here on the door so that you can see how effective it is. And I'll just rub that in, and just to show you that this doesn't come off or anything with me scratching it. It's well and truly on the door there. Okay. So you can see it's done a great job on this patch here where I've just rubbed it. Still a little bit of effort is an elbow grease to get it looking a bit more clearer, but just as a quick demonstration, you can see it works. And just to test, this is just a part of the cloth that doesn't have any product on it. See, I can rub it on there for days and nothing's going to happen. Nothing at all. So the super cut compound for cars, it's an automotive product. It does work on your glass, and you'll be able to clean that off. Now once that's been cleaned, I'm going to just put an application of wax on there. You know why not? That will probably keep the glass from having lots of water sitting on it because it will just bead off. So I've just gone through and I've done roughly from here down to here, and it looks a lot better. It's not brand new quality, but it's certainly good enough in my opinion. But when you get down to here, you can see this is what it originally was like. So there's a lot of calcium build up there, and then there's not very much up here. So it's certainly doing the trick. And this is just your basic cheapest product that I could get from a car shop called Super Cheap Auto in Australia. And it's just super cut compound, but you probably find different brands would be able to work just as well, if not better. Well, there we go. I've finished doing the entire glass with the super cut compound, and as well as when that's been buffed off, gave it a spray with Windex, gave it another wipe down to make sure there's no residue of this cutting that compound, and then gave it a thin coat of this automotive car wax, and this is the finished result. It's not 100% perfect, but it's 1,000 times better than what it was. Now, if I go right in, you can kind of see some residual staining on the glass, but it's a bit easier to see down here when it's contrasted against the background. Let me get it to focus. But it's a lot less, and you only notice it in certain angles of light. So, like if I look through here, that's impeccable. It looks clean from a distance. It's a lot better though, 1,000 times better than what it was. And that was a simple cut and polish process that you'd use for a car on a glass shower. So it worked out perfect. So I'd happily do this again, and with that coating of wax on the inside, it should just bead, and hopefully I won't have to do it anytime soon because it does take a bit of time. Alright, well thanks for watching. Hopefully you've been able to fix up your shower and make yourself have a really pretty home again. And as usual, leave a comment if this helped, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!